Okay, so let's start this discussion on practical number 5. Understand and identify layer 3 functionality. Layer 3 normally it is known as network layer. Layer 3 it is normally network layer. So we will discuss about network layer functionality, the network layer packet format. In this case, we have to simulate different exercise from 1 to 3 given below. The exercise 1 is having linear topology. Exercise 2 is having also linear topology. Exercise 3 is having tree kind of structure. If I take this middle router upside, so it looks like a tree structure. So exercise 3 is tree structure. Exercise 1 and 2 they are linear topology. Exercise 3 is tree topology. So in exercise 1 there are two computers, PC0 and PC1, and there is one router 0 are there. And what you need to do, redraw the above diagram. You have to draw this, you have to create this topology in packet tracer and uh, give the IP address and MAC address as a label over here, and then paste in this practical, paste your diagram over here. Then what you need to do, you need to write ARP table entry of PC0, ARP table entry of PC1, routing table of router 0 that we are going to discuss what is routing table in today's session, that you have to write over here. The example is given over here, but we will discuss the routing functionality in today's session. And then you have to answer these questions. You may take help of internet, you may take help of your friends to find out the correct answer of all these questions. Okay. Exercise 2, it is similar. You have to fill the ARP entry of PC1, switch entry of switch 0, switch table entry of switch 1. There are two switches over here, the switch 0 and switch 1. You have to write switching table of the switch 0 and switch 1 over here, and then followed by routing table. Then it is followed by certain questions, and finally it's exercise 3. But first let's start with exercise 1. I'll skip exercise 2 and I will discuss exercise 3. So let's create exercise 1 in Cisco Packet Tracer. So what I need to do, Pranay?
Sir, take PCs
Two PCs.
and
Take
switch
PCs,
and router.
routers, and what must I do to connect these two PC?
Sir, that wire cables.
What kind of cable? PC0 to router 0. What kind of cable I must use?
Cross.
Crossover. Very good, Pranay. Fast Ethernet 0/0, 0/1. Two interfaces are available. I will connect to Fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Send
Yes, sir.
router 0 to PC1, Pranay. Router 0 to PC1. Which cable I must use?
Same cable, sir.
Same cables. Crossover. By mistake I took straight through, but now I've taken a crossover. Okay. Now I'm giving a label over here. What must be the net ID of this network? There are two network exist over here. So left side network I'm taking 10.0.0. The right side network I'm taking network 11.0.0. Okay. So this is left side network and this is right side network. Because there is a router, that's why we have to take two network ID. Left network ID and right side network ID. Router breaks your network. So if you have a router, each interface of router creates separate network. So that's why for each interface we have to allocate separate network ID. Network ID is nothing but if we replace 0 in place of host ID, it becomes network ID. So zeros, if you see these, there are three zeros. After 10 there are three zeros. So this is a place, these three zeros are place of host ID. That's why if I replace with all these host ID as 0, it becomes network ID. PC0, what IP address I have to assign? 10.0.0.1. Fast Ethernet 0/0, I am allocating 10.0.0.2. FA0/1, I am allocating 11.0.0.2, and PC1 I am going to allocate 11.0.0.1. Is it clear? Then PC0, how to allocate the IP address? Sanjana? How to allocate the IP address? Where must I go?
Config.
Config. Fast Ethernet.
Net.
10.0.0.1. Press tab. Even PC1. Same config. Ethernet. Fast Ethernet. 11.0.0.1. Okay. Now, Rishi Patel. How to allocate IP addresses to this router?
Sir, click. Sir, config.
Config.
Sir, now fast Ethernet ના બંનેમાં એક આપવાનું.
Okay. Fast Ethernet 0/0 નો કયું આપું?
Sir, 10.
10 એટલે ખાલી 10? Only 10?
No, sir, 10.0.02.
And fast Ethernet 0/1?
11.0.0.2.
Okay. So now our topology is complete. We have allocated IP address. So Sia, if I ping 0 to PC1, can it ping? Sia Patel. Yes या no?
So वो चेक करना पड़ेगा.
So ping 10.0.0.1. This is self ping 11.0.0.1. That's the IP address of PC1. Okay. So let's check. Why is it not pinging? Why does it not give reply? Why does not reply? This is a question for all of you, not only Sia.
સર ગેટવે નથી આપેલો એટલે.
Perfect. Perfect. Yagnik. Gateway is not there. We have to allocate the gateway over here. So what is the importance of gateway over here? I didn't explain in the previous example, but it's the right time to explain you what is gateway. Any idea by you why we must provide gateway over here? For example, consider these are the two societies. Society 1 is having name 10 and society 2 is having name 11. So I'm speaking numerically the name of the society because it becomes very easy to understand. So this 10 is a society name and 11 is also society name. And FA0/0, FA0/1 consider the society guard, watchman of those societies. So if I want to go from 10 to 11, I have the person over here or the house owner will give handover later to society guard or watchman of its own society. Then this watchman of this own society will deliver handover the letter to watchman of other society. So over here FA0 we have to contact to FA0/0 if you want to go out of your network. If you want to send data within your network, no need to contact watchman FA0/0. You can send with the help of ARP protocol, which we have seen till so far. Address resolution protocol will help us to identify IP address to MAC address. So when I started to ping from PC0 to PC1, what I'm using, MAC address or IP address? Yagnik, what am I using, MAC address or IP address?
IP address.
IP address. So normally our computer interacts with each other using IP address at top level. Okay, but if you want to send data locally, it requires MAC address. Okay, so for that ARP address resolution protocol will help to resolve IP address to MAC address. એટલે local area network માં જેટલાના પણ IP address તમે જાણતા હશો એનું MAC address શોધીને આવશે એટલે એને રિપ્લાય કરશે. MAC address ટેબલમાં નાખવાની જવાબદારી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી કોની છે? ARP પ્રોટોકોલની. Okay, so this if you want to send data locally, ARP will help. If you send data globally outside of your network, the gateway will help you. Any question? Any question over here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I am ready to answer any silly question because it clears your fundamentals. There may be lots many why in your mind, but formulate question and ask me that question. Formulate that question and ask me that question. Okay. So if you have any doubt at the end of lab session, you can ask me as well. So I have to set gateway of PC0. So what must be the gateway of PC0? This question is to Nihal Patel. Nihal, what must be the gateway for PC0?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर रिसेंटली जो है पावर कट हो गया था.
Lekin, but in last laboratory, I think you gave gateway to computers in same topology. It was the same. It is the same topology. So what must be the gateway of PC0? Yes, Patel. Raj Patel.
Yes, sir.
What must be the gateway in PC0?
Sir, 11.0.0.1.
11.0.0.1 પણ ગેટવે તો વોચમેન તમારા સોસાયટીનો જ તમારે યાદ રાખવાનો છે, બીજાની સોસાયટીનો ક્યાં યાદ રાખવાનો છે ગેટવે?
હા, sorry, 10.0.0.2.
કઈ રીતે આપવાનું? ક્યાંથી ક્યાં જઈ મારે રાઉટરમાં આપવાનું કે પીસી?
PC ના ગ્લોબલમાં આપવાનું.
config global gateway 10.0.0. વેરી ગુડ. અને આ PC1 માં આપવું પડશે.
PC1 માં 11.0.0.2.
હા, પણ ઉભા રહો, ચેક કરીએ કે 11.0.0.1 પિંગ થશે કે નહીં થાય, રિપ્લાય આવશે કે નહીં આવે. યાજ્ઞિક રિપ્લાય આવશે?
No, sir.
We have said gateway of PC0 only. We haven't said gateway of PC1. So now let's find out the cause. To find a cause, my cursor on the right bottom side, it shows real time, and I'm clicking on this button, it becomes simulation mode. So I'm switching from real time mode to switching mode, and I'm picking the first packet. The first packet I click, single click. Again, I'm clicking on PC0, which acts as my source, and I'm clicking on PC1, which acts as my destination. Okay. Then it creates one packet, which is known as ICMP packet. You can see over here in this event list, time 0.00 second, the last device is unknown. It's no device, but PC0 has started ICMP packet, which is nothing but ping packet. ICMP equal to ping packet. And there are three buttons over here in a play control: back, auto capture, and capture forward. So I'm using capture forward. So single click, packet goes from PC0 to PC1 with the help of gateway, which we have supplied over here in PC0. Then from here, it is directly connected network, and PC1 it's on the right side of this router 0. So router 0 will send it directly to 11.0.0.1. So that packet has reached to 11.0.0.1. Now you can see there is a cross over here. There is a cross on the packet. So there is a problem over here. Why the packet is being dropped over here? The cross sign indicates packet is being dropped by PC1. So let's find out the cause. So if you want to find out the cause why the packet is being dropped, click on the packet. The PDU information will be displayed on your screen, and one by one If top, bottom to top, because the packet is received at PC0, so fast Ethernet, physical layer receives frame, Ethernet layer, you can see there what kind of steps it performs. Layer 2, it does not have any problem. But look at the layer 3, the packet destination IP address matches the device IP address, so it accepts the packet. The packet is ICMP packet, the ICMP processes it, the ICMP process received echo request. So that is known as echo request packet. The ping is known as echo request technically. And then it forwards out layers. In layer ma to successfully થઈ ગયું, પણ out layer માં અહીંયા એક problem છે કંઈક. Let's figure it out what is the problem. The ICMP process wants to reply to the echo request by setting ICMP type to echo reply. એટલે reply passage મોકલવું, reply packet મોકલવું છે. The ICMP process sends echo reply. The destination IP address is not in the same subnet and is not the broadcast address. Default gateway is not set. The device drops the packet. Do you get it, Yagnik, Sia, Tisa?
યસ સર.
રિપ્લાય મોકલવો છે એટલે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા રસ્તો આપણે આપી દીધો કે ભાઈ ગેટવે આપે તો ગેટવે પછી અહીંયાથી આ એ ફોડી લેશે. પણ PC1ને આપણે ઇન્ફોર્મ નથી કર્યું કે કોઈ રિપ્લાય આપો એટલે અહીંયા PC1 થી PC0 માં જવું છે તો આપણે રસ્તો નથી બતાવ્યો. We haven't set gateway, that's why it will drop this packet. Okay, so let's apply the gateway. I'm going in simulation mode. Setting, what must be the gateway? Tisa?
Yes, sir.
What must be the gateway?
हाँ बरोबर 11.0.0.2 for PC1.
Now, can I get the reply?
યસ સર.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we have set the gateway both the end. એટલે ગેટવે એવું નથી કે એક જ જગ્યાએ આપવું પડે, જ્યાંથી પેકેટ રિપ્લાય આવવાનું હોય ને ત્યાં પણ આપવું પડે છે. So I'm switching to the again simulation mode. I'm deleting all the scenario. I am again opening PC0 in simulation mode and I'm typing ping 11.0.0.1 and press enter. Once I press enter, the first packet is created. You can see the first packet is created in event list. Then I click on the capture forward. Packet goes on router 0 to PC1. You can see these event list over here. Capture forward PC1 to router 0 and router 0 to PC0 again. And if I look at this, then reply from 11.0.0.1. How many bytes it was sent? 32 bytes. The time was 4 milliseconds. Is it clear? As
Yes, sir.
it sends 4 messages, this is a reply of only 1 message. So again I capture forward, again you will see the next echo packet is created. You can see that there is different color. Earlier it was green, now it's something different like maroon. Capture forward. Now I can see the second reply. Okay, again the third packet is created, light green. Third reply, and lastly fourth reply, light blue. Light blue CDP is not interested. So our reply of all the packages are completed. Any question in simulation now? Do you get it? Why we have to specify gateway? Why we have
Yes,
to specify
sir.
gateway? Okay. So this is the how to create this exercise, and you know very well how to do this, write ARP table entry. But before that, you have to insert image, whatever you have created by applying your IP address as per your roll number, and then finish the exercise. Next is routing table entry. So if you want to see the routing table, MAC table or ARP table, we can take help of this magnifying glass. The magnifying glass is nothing but inspect. Okay, I click over here on inspect, so your cursor gets changed to magnify glass, and if I click on the router, it shows me possible options, what you want to see, whether you want to see routing table, IPv6 routing table, ARP table, network address translation table, quality of service queue, port status, and so on. But we are interested only right now in routing table, means first option. So click on the routing table, you will see the options over here. Okay. So you can see there are 5 columns over here. The first column is type. Type indicates what kind of routing it has learned. What kind of routing it has learned. So this is C stands for that directly connected network. I repeat, C stands for directly connected network. એટલે આ બંને એક directly connected છે એટલે એની જોડે લિંક જ available છે. That's why it is known as directly connected network. I'll tell you direct connected network or indirectly connected network in exercise 3. But as far as this example is concerned, this is directly connected network. Network are 10.0.0.0, 11.0.0/8/8 indicates 8 bits are used for the net ID. So first 8 bits means digit 10 and digit 11. They act as a network ID. Rest other acts as a host ID. Port fast Ethernet 0/0. So 10 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/0. We can see over here. And 11 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/1. So on which interface this network is connected? Next hop, as it is directly connected network, the distance is 0 and the metric value is 0/0 because it's a directly connected network. There is no metric value. Okay, metric value in the sense if I am standing at the crossway of our Charleston University, the right side is Changai village and left side is Valetwa village. So similar way we can consider over here Changai village and Valetwa village over here. The metric is distance is 0 kilometer because they are near to our university. Okay, and we can say they are directly connected network as well. So this routing table we have to write over here. We have to include in this case designation, destination network ID, next hop address and hop count along a path at 00. So for the first exercise it is given to you, but you have to convert into your IP address, whatever IP address you are going to use in your simulation. Then give the answer of these questions. Exercise 2, only just difference is one switch is added. Switching table will be added. Other thing remains same. You may change previous topology. You may change this previous topology. Connect 2 more computers. Sorry, take the switches. Take the switches and make a connection. So you can create exercise 2. Now we are moving towards exercise 3. We are moving towards exercise 3. So I'm resetting everything. How many routers I have to take?
3.
And how many computers? 3. Everything is 3. So I'm taking all these switches over here. I'm also taking computers over here. I'm connecting computers to switches using straight through cable. Switches to router. Switches to router. Straight through cable.
Straight through.
Router to router.
Crossover.
I made a mistake. I have to take fast Ethernet 0/0 over here. 0/1 at this side. Now there is no other extra ports available over here. If I click on the straight through cable, even it does not show me a port, fast Ethernet port. So there is a facility available in all these routers to add extra NIC card. For example, તમે computer purchase કર્યું છે એમાં sound card sound no port નથી. So what you need to do, you have to purchase extra additional sound card and you have to plug on PCI slots. The same way, all the routers are having a PCI slot. So these 2 slots you can see, these are the 2 empty slots. 2 empty slots are available. NIC card, what you need to do, for example, you have to insert NIC card or sound card in your computer. What you must to do, power supply ચાલુ હોય અને તમે sound card change કરી શકશો, એટલે insert કરી શકશો?
No, sir.
No. So you have to turn off your computer So same way, there is a power button over here, and there is a green light over here. Can you see this green light?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So not completely, but I can see. If I click over here, the green light will disappear. So now the router is turned off. Select this ENET. If you click over here ENET, the port will display over here. Other ports are there, fiber optic ports and all other ports are there, Wi-Fi ports and rest of the ports. I'm not going to discuss right now. Explore in your free time. We are interested in Ethernet port. So WIC 1 ENET drag and drop on this empty slot. Drag and drop on this empty slot and power on this router. Please do not forget to power on this router. Once it is powered up, you can see the Ethernet 0/1/0 will appear on your list of port. Click over here and click on this. You can connect this switch and router now. So we have added one more interface or one more NIC card to middle router, because 1841 series router by default it comes with 2 NIC card only. So 2 NIC card એટલે left side and right side connect કરી શકીએ. If you want to add third NIC card, we have to connect over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what are the steps to connect third NIC card? The first step is power off router. Second step, choose your NIC card. Third step, drag and drop into appropriate slot. Fourth step, power on your router. Okay. Now the apply IP address. So I'm taking 10 IP address over here, 10.0.0. This is my NAT ID 10. Over here, I am taking 11 NAT ID. 11.0.0. Over here, I am taking NAT ID as a 12. 12.0.0. I am taking 13. 13.0.0. And NAT ID 14. 14.0.0. Okay. Did you get how I selected this 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14? Any question? If you look at this router, the bottom side, it creates one network. Right side, it creates one network. This router bottom side creates one network. This router right side creates a network. And the bottom side creates one network. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 network exists. So I have to take 5 network ID over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now allocate the IP address. Start by Pujan Patel. What IP address I must allocate to PC0?
10.0.1.
અને router ના fast ethernet 0/0 ને
10.0.02.
PC1
12.0.01.
fast ethernet 0/1/0
12.0.02.
અહીંયા 14.0.0.1 અને આ બાજુ 14.0.0.2. Okay. Now Nihal Patel. Is it complete or should I allocate IP address to some more interfaces of router? Neil, I think you are not paying attention to the lab sessions. Please pay attention. Tushar Patel, कोई IP address allocate करवाना बाकी છે?
हाँ सर.
કઈ જગ્યાએ?
સર રૂટરમાં ઉપર બે રૂટર વચ્ચે આવશે ને ત્યાં 11.0.0.1
અને અહીંયા
બીજી બાજુ 11.0.0.2 ત્યાં 13.0.0.1 અને ત્યાં 13.0.0.2.
Okay, very good. Very good, Tushar. Now let's allocate IP address. I'm going to allocate IP address. Just watch. I'm not going to speak anything. આટલી સ્પીડ તમારે લાવવાની છે IP address allocate કરવામાં. And you know where you can see how I'm writing over here. અહીંયા IP address લખેલા છે એટલા માટે મારા માટે easy પડી જાય છે હવે. Fast generate 0/0 10.0.0.2 turn it on. Fast generate 0/0 11.0.0.1. Fast generate 0/0 left side 11.0.0.2. આ બાજુ 13.0.0.1 અને નીચેની સાઈડ 12.0.0.2. અને આ બાજુ 13.0.0.2 છે. config માં જઈ અને નીચેની સાઈડ 14.0.0.2. Okay, is anything left? Is anything left?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Gateway.
Gateway. So what કયા PC માં gateway બાકી છે?
બધામાં
બધામાં બાકી છે?
હા.
ઓકે, તો આ પહેલા PC 0 માં કયું ગેટવે આપું?
10.0.0.2.
Perfect. ઓકે, પછી આ PC 1 માં
12.0.0.2.
અને PC 2 માં
13.
14 છે. ભૂલ ના થાય, આ 14 નેટવર્ક છે અને આનું IP એડ્રેસ 14.0.0.2 છે. ભૂલ ના થાય નહીતર કામ નહીં થાય, એટલે પિંગ નહીં થાય. Okay, now I'm at PC 0. I want to ping interface of FA0/0, which is nothing but 10.0.0.2. So ping 10.0.0.2, I will get the reply. Okay, from PC 0, I'm at PC 0. Can I get reply back from 11.0.0.1? Can I get the reply?
Yes, sir.
Let's check. Yes. કારણ કે એ routerની અંદર જ છે એટલા માટે. Okay, now can I get the reply from 11.0.0.2?
No, sir.
Ping 11.0.0.2. Why?
નેટવર્ક ની બહાર થઈ ગયું.
નેટવર્ક ની બહાર થયું, ગેટવે તો સેટ કરી દીધો છે આપણે. ગેટવે તો સેટ કરી દીધો છે. Why? What is the reason? ચેક કરવું છે, કઈ રીતે ચેક કરીશું?
Simulation mode.
Very good. Simulation mode. Quickly tell me what I must do. Click on this packet PC0. Now where must I click?
Router 2.
Router.
વચ્ચેના router પર.
થઈ ગયું? Now if I want to check the IP address કે આ source ના destination બને છે, click on the router. Outbound PDU detail, you can see the source IP is 10.0.0.1. The destination IP is 11.0.0.2. Means whatever we are simulating, it's a correct. Okay, I have verified. We have to verify it before going one step ahead. So we have verified whether our interest is to ping from here to here. It's satisfied or not. Okay. Capture forward. Perfect. Router 0 જે પહોંચી ગયું. Router 2 ને પહોંચી ગયું પછી શું થાય છે? What must I do? It shows me cross on the packet. Cross on the packet means the packet is being dropped by this router.
સર રાઉટર 1 માં આપવું પડશે એનો ગેટવે.
હા ગેટવે આપવો પડશે પણ પહેલા ચેક તો કરીએ કેમ છે. The routing table does not have a route to the destination. I'm directly switching to the real cause. I'm not going on here one by one. I'm going on this cause and last line. The routing table does not have a route to the destination IP address. હવે પેકેટ રિપ્લાય થશે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા તો પેકેટમાં સોર્સ આઈપી શું બની જશે? 11.0.0.2 હશે અને ડેસ્ટિનેશન આઈપી 10.0.0.1 હશે. Is it correct?
યસ સર.
તો અહીંયાથી 10 જવા માટેનો રસ્તો કયો? From this router I want to reach to 10 but router does not have entry into routing table, so let's check routing table entry. Let's check routing table entry. So routing table entry, what does it shows? 11, 12 and a 13. એના જે directly connected network છે એના જ network ID એની જોડે છે. ખબર પડી? આ router વચ્ચેનું તો એની જોડે કયું છે? 11 છે. આ બાજુનું second 12 છે bottom side and right side 13 નું છે. It does not have any entry into routing table. For example, I am standing at the university crossway. University side 3 રસ્તા છે ત્યાં ઊભો છું અને right side is right side is Changa village and left side is Valetwa village. That's only entry. But if anybody wants to go to Vartal, does that signboard contains sufficient information to reach to Vartal? No. So what must have in that signboard? Signboard માં શું હોવું જોઈએ? ખબર હોય કે વડતાલ જવા માટે મારે લેફ્ટ સાઈડ જવાનું. વડતાલની એન્ટ્રી હોવી જોઈએ કે ના હોવી જોઈએ?
યસ સર.
તો અહીંયા તમારે 10 સુધી પહોંચવું છે તો 10 ની એન્ટ્રી છે આમાં?
નો સર.
નથી. તો 10 ની એન્ટ્રી નથી. 10 ની એન્ટ્રી છે જ નહીં તો રૂટર શું કરશે? ડ્રોપ કરી દેશે કારણ કે મારો રસ્તો જ નથી. રૂટર એવું કહેશે I don't know the right path. Okay. So as you know very well, gateway will help us to find out this way. So we have to set the gateway over here. But gateway શેના માટે શોધવાનો છે? For destination to 10, what must be our gateway? 10 સુધી પહોંચવું હોય તો gateway કયો થશે? From this router, I want to reach to network 10. What must be the gateway IP address?
11.0.0.1.
Very correct. So let's add that entry to table. I'm going to real-time mode, clicking on the router, config, and there is a routing over here and there is static route over here. Static. Can you see? Once again, click on the router, go to config, routing menu, sub menu is a static. Click on the static. It asks you to enter 3 parameter. Network, marks it will take automatically, and next hop means nothing but gateway. I repeat, network means destination network, mask it will take automatically, next hop nothing but your gateway. So network I want to reach to 10.0.0, mask let's say we have to look at 255.0.0.0 and next hop will be 11.0.0.1. Then click on the add button. So once you click on the add button 10.0.0.8, if you want to reach to 10.0.0. reach via 11.0.0 એટલે રસ્તો બતાવી દીધો ભાઈ. વડતાલ જવા માટે પહેલા તમારે વલેટવા જવું પડશે. વડતાલ is your final destination, Valetwa is your next hop or gateway. Are you getting?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Now let's check in simulation mode whether it will work or not. I'm picking up the packet, source and destination I have Now let's check our routing table. Routing table shows me now 4 entry. 4 entry, these 3 entries are 11, 12 and 13, that is directly connected, and a S, static entry. આપણે add કરી static entry. We have added one more entry as a static entry, that if you want to reach to 10.0.0.8, the port is fast Ethernet 0/0. We haven't specified, that's why we will take dash SS. Next hop is 11.0.0.1 and the metric is 1. So if you want to go from here to here, the one router come along your path, so that's why it is 1/0. One router, one hop. Are you getting the value of metric?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear કે તમે ત્યાં static entry add કરી? We have added static entry over there, and it will be part of your routing table. So routing table, there are two ways to update routing table. To make entry into routing table, there are two ways. The first way, this is static way. Second way, dynamic way. You can assume that every crossway there can be a digital signboard. Digital LCD display છે, LED પણ હોય, LCD પણ હોય, and keep on changing by looking at the traffic. So that's ideal scenario. એક વ્યક્તિ એક ભાઈ જશે અને બોર્ડ ઉપર જઈને વડતાલ લખી આવશે. So that things we have done, that is known as static routing entry. Okay. So that's we have successfully completed. Now packet will reply from router 0 to router 1 to router 0, and at PC0 we will get the successful entry. PC0 we will get successful entry. Our packet will reply over here. Okay, now tell me, I'm at PC0 and I want to ping to 12.0.0.1. Ping 12.0.0.1. Reply આવશે કે નહીં આવે? Take 2 minutes and answer me, will we get reply or not? It has two-step process. 10 થી 12 માં પહોંચવું જોઈએ અને 12 થી પાછું અહીંયા આવવું જોઈએ. Can I get reply?
No, sir.
Why?
સર આ 12 વાળું નેટવર્ક મેં ને રાઉટર 11
ગેટવે આપવું પડશે.
One by one. First, યાજ્ઞિક તું ના બોલીશ, બીજું કોઈ બોલતું હતું ને? તુષાર?
Yes, sir, it's Swapnil.
સ્વપ્નિલ બોલ.
સર 12.0.02 નું ગેટવે આપવું પડશે ને?
ક્યાં આપવું પડશે?
જ્યાં સેકન્ડ રૂટર છે એમાં.
એટલે આ રૂટર?
એટલે સર આ ફર્સ્ટ રૂટરમાં એ 12.0.02 નું એડ્રેસ આપવું પડશે ને?
ફર્સ્ટ રૂટરમાં અહીંયા રૂટર 0 માં ને?
યસ સર.
કેમ? રીઝન સિમ્પલ, એની અંદર રૂટિંગ ટેબલમાં 12 ની એન્ટ્રી છે?
નો સર.
નથી, તો પેકેટ અહીંયાથી ડ્રોપ થઈ જશે 12 નું. ઓકે, so Swapnil, Yagnik, guide me, what must I write over here? Yagnik?
Yes, sir.
config માં static root માં મારે શું લખવાનું?
સર 12 નું નેટવર્ક 12.0.0.0 255.0.0 and next stop માં 11.0.0.2.
yes, એ બાજુનો રસ્તો બતાવવાનો છે એટલે સામેનું આવે. પરફેક્ટ. Any question by students? Why 11.0.0.2? Why not 1?
સર 12.0.0.1 નહીં આવે?
ના આવે બકા. આપણે ક્યાં ઊભા છીએ? અહીંયા રૂટર 0 માં છીએ અને જવું છે કે 12 બાજુ જવું છે. તો નેક્સ્ટ આ લિંક ઉપર જેનું ઓપોઝિટ આઈપી એડ્રેસ હોય 11.0.0.2 એ આવે, એટલે પેકેટ તારું અહીંયાથી અહીંયા મોકલવાનું છે. પછી આ રૂટર એના રૂટિંગ ટેબલમાં જોશે, એટલે આનો મતલબ એવો કે ઇસકે ટોપી ઉસકે સર છે. મેં મારામાંથી સોલ્વ કરીને આને આપી દીધું, પછી આ જોશે એના રૂટિંગ ટેબલમાં. એટલે every router will inspect routing table to forward that packet to the next hop. I repeat, every router will inspect routing table will inspect routing table to forward to the next hop. Next hop માં routing table માં એન્ટ્રી છે કે નહીં એને કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી. મેં મારા ટોપી માથે આવ્યું હતું, મેં બાજુવાળાને માથે આપ્યું રાઉટિંગ ટેબલમાં જોઈને. That's it. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's still there is a scope for discussion now, but I have to add over here static route entry નથી મારી 12.0.0.0 to 5.0.0.0 11.0.2 add. Okay. Now can I get the reply? Still one more time. 12.0.0.1 packet will reach over here. Routing table entry we have made, it reaches over here. 12.0.0.1 નો મોકલશે કે નહીં મોકલે?
મોકલશે.
કેમ? કારણ કે ડિરેક્ટલી કનેક્ટેડ નેટવર્ક છે. મોકલશે ડિરેક્ટલી કનેક્ટેડ નેટવર્ક. હવે 12 ને મળ્યું તો રિપ્લાય આપશે 10 ને?
યસ સર.
કેમ? કારણ કે એને નેટવર્કની બહાર જવું છે. 12 માંથી બહાર જઈને એને 10 ને રિપ્લાય આપવો છે. તેનામાં ગેટવે સેટ કર્યો છે આપણે. યસ, ગેટવે સેટ કર્યો એટલે એણે શું કર્યું? ગેટવેને આપી દીધું. ગેટવેની જોડે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે કે નહીં એનો કોઈ મતલબ નથી. ઓકે, તો એને 10 ને અહીંયા આ રૂટર 1 ને આપી દીધું. આ રૂટર 1 જોડે 10 ની એન્ટ્રી છે?
યસ સર.
છે, હમણાં જ આપણે એડ
Yes,
કરી.
sir.
સૌથી પહેલા આપણે એડ કરી. ઓકે, પછી આની જોડે તો 10 છે જ આ રૂટર જોડે. નાઉ લેટ્સ ચેક. પહેલી જે રિક્વેસ્ટ ટાઈમ આઉટ આવી એ એઆરપી ટેબલ બનાવે છે, એટલા માટે રિક્વેસ્ટ ટાઈમ આઉટ આવે છે. એઆરપી થી બેંક એડ્રેસ લર્ન કરે ને એટલો ટાઈમ લાગે છે થોડો, એટલા માટે. હવે એઆરપી ટેબલ બિલ્ડ થઈ ગયું છે, તો નાઉ there will not be any delay. ARP table is now available into all the PCs, so there will not be a delay. Okay. Vishwa Patel, tell me if
Yes,
I
sir.
ping from ping to 14.0.0.1, what must I do? 14.0.0.1 ping કરીએ તો કઈ જગ્યાએ શું ચેન્જ કરવા પડશે તો જ રિપ્લાય આવશે. અત્યારે રિપ્લાય નહીં જ આવે. Destination host unreachable means there is no reply. શું કરવું પડશે? વિશ્વા પટેલ. Vishwa, can you find out where can be the problem? પેકેટ કઈ જગ્યાએ પહોંચશે અને એને પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે? All of you are requested to avoid copy paste in your exercise. I'm sure you are not doing copy paste, but at the same time please try to understand all the practical scenario. Tisha Patel,
Yes, sir.
what must I do to get reply from 14.0.0.1?
Firstly, we have to enter the gateway. Means આપણે પાથ બતાવવું પડશે કે આપણે 14 point means રાઉટર માં ચેક કરવાનું કે એમાં છે કે નહીં એની એન્ટ્રી.
કયા રાઉટર 0 કે 1 કે આ 2?
1 and 2 because 0 તો એના પાથમાં નહીં આવે ને વચ્ચે.
0 વચ્ચે પાથમાં એમને ઉડી જશે બકા. પેકેટ અહીંયાથી ડાયરેક્ટ રૂટર અહીંયા ઉડીને જતું રહેશે.
ના એવું નહીં થાય.
ના થાય, રૂટર 0 માં જશે જ. એટલે પહેલા રૂટર 0 માં જોવાનું કે 14 નું છે નથી તો અહીંયા એડ કરવું પડશે પાથ.
Yes.
રૂટર 1 માં જોઈએ ત્યાં 14 છે નથી તો ત્યાં પણ એડ કરવો પડશે. યસ, અને રૂટર 2 માં 14 છે જ. સમજ પડી? એટલે કઈ બે જગ્યાએ ટીસા એન્ટ્રી કરવાની? રૂટર 0 અને રૂટર અહીંયા, બરાબર? તો અહીંયા એન્ટ્રી કરી દઉં. ચલો એન્ટ્રી કરી દઈએ. ટીસા સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન, what must I write over here?
14.0.255 and I think ખાતું નથી કશું.
દેખાતું નથી તો ખાલી કહો કે કયું આઈપી સર કયાનું આઈપી એડ્રેસ હું આપું
રાઉટર 1 નું
લેફ્ટ સાઈડ
હા
ઓકે 11.0.0.2 છે આઈપી એડ્રેસ ઓકે એડ ગુડ તીસા હવે રૂટર 1 માં વચ્ચેમાં આપવું છે મારે તો સ્ટેટિક 14.0.0.0 remains same 255.0.0.0 next soap તીસા
યસ સર અહીંયાથી 12 છે કે 12.0.0.1
ના આ 13 છે આ લિંક નું આ નેટવર્ક નું 13 છે
હા 13.0.0.2
પરફેક્ટ ઓકે પણ અહીંયાથી અહીંયા પેકેટ પહોંચી જશે તો રિપ્લાયનો પાથ 10 ને રિપ્લાય આપવાનો છે તો 10 નું નેટ આઈડી અહીંયા હોવું જોઈએ ને રૂટર આમાં ને આમાં તો
યસ
10 જોઈએ આની અંદર છે 10 નથી તો 10 એડ કરવું પડશે આની અંદર
યસ
યસ તો 10 એડ કરી દઈએ આ સ્ટેટિક રૂટ 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0 next soap 13.0.0.1 add and let's see whether it works or not 14.0.0.1 router 0 વચ્ચેના રૂટરમાં આપણે 10 નો પાથ આપેલો જ છે so I am not worrying and આ 10 directly connected જ છે request timeout and we are getting reply correct is it clear all of you
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so our exercise is over you have to create this topology configure this topology you have to write MAC address as a label IP address as a label over here and then copy and paste that image over here and copy while copying paste just take a this snapshot do not take whole snap આખું ના લેશો એવું હોય તો પ્રિન્ટ સ્ક્રીન કરીને MS Paint માં જાઓ અને એટલો પાર્ટ કટ કરો કટ કરીને એટલો જ પાર્ટ વર્ડ ડોક્યુમેન્ટમાં પેસ્ટ કરો આટલું જ પોર્શન જોઈએ છે મારે ઓકે then ARP table entry switch table entry routing table ના કોલમ 5 કરી દેજો આ 3 છે અહીંયા 5 કરી દેજો 5 columns and whatever the conclusion you have you have in your mind there is no question in exercise 3 okay so do it complete it and upload as part of assignment
sir for exercise 2 is the same process
sorry
for exercise 2 is same process
yes exercise 1 માં જે કરી એ જ પ્રોસેસ exercise 2 માં છે
okay
જસ્ટ ખાલી બે સ્વિચ એડ કરવાની છે બાકી કશું નથી ક્રોસ ઓવર કેબલની જગ્યાએ સ્ટ્રેટ થ્રુ કેબલ થઈ જાય છે ઓકે ultimately what I want to tell you that's one